didn't already know, and if you did, hi, my name is Jemma and welcome back. Today we're gonna do this makeup look, which is sort of inspired by a snow bunny, so if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not interested, keep on watching, click an ad, support an artist. Awesome. Alright, let's just jump on into it. To start off, I'm gonna use this NYX Angel Veil Primer all over my face. Now I'm taking a foundation that's a little bit too light for my skin and putting that all over my face. Now I'm going in and concealing some areas. Now taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, I'm going to use this as a cream highlighter and highlight some areas. Now I'm setting that all in place with a translucent powder. Taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk again, I'm going over my brows and creating white brows. I'll go over them with a spoolie and then use a layer of setting powder and then repeat the process a second time. Then I'll take that same jumbo eye pencil and use it on my eyelids and my lower lids. I'll go ahead and set that with translucent powder. Now I'm taking a matte cream eyeshadow and highlighting the areas that we went over before with the jumbo eye pencil. Now I'm taking a light pastel lavender sort of shimmery shade, and I'm going to be using this as my contour and shading. I'll also use the same color on the crease of my eyes and below my eyes to create a sort of lavender dark circle, if you will. Now I'm taking the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk again and erasing my upper lip. And then I'll use the shading to go back over it. Now I'm taking this NYX Lip Liner in Dolly Pink and just shading my bottom lip. Now I'm going to use some highlight and use that on the high points of my face. And also using that on my lips. Now I'm taking a shimmery white eyeshadow and putting that all over my lids. I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with a highlighter, a white highlighter. And then I'm going in with this white eyeliner and creating a dramatic wing. Now I'm going in with this NYX white pencil liner and using that in my waterline. I'm applying some dramatic false lashes. Now I'm coating my bottom lashes with mascara. Earlier I cut the top lashes to better fit my eyes, so I'm using the little bit that I cut off, gluing that on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking that white eyeliner again. I'm just creating a lot of white freckles here. And then I'm also using that on my upper lip, so it kind of looks like, you know, little whisker spots. And there we go, we're done. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you liked it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and comment. Let me know what you thought. I have Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, Snapchat, YouNow, Depop. All of those links are going to be down in the description if you're interested. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!